In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar for productivity and school. First, open Google Calendar. On the left sidebar, look for Other Calendars and click the plus icon beside it. Then choose Create New Calendar. Make separate calendars for the main areas of your life. Things like work, content creation, clients, personal growth, personal, and health. Give each calendar a distinct color that's easy to tell apart at a glance. This color coding turns your week into a visual map so you can spot priorities and balance quickly. Tip: keep the palette consistent and meaningful. And remember, you can toggle calendars on and off to reduce visual noise when you need focus. Next, set your default event settings. Click the gear icon for settings, then go to event settings. Choose a default event duration, like 30 or 60 minutes. Add 2 reminders, one at 10 minutes and another at 1 hour before, and pick your notification style, whether that's desktop pop-ups or email. Getting these defaults right prevents missed tasks and keeps your schedule consistent without extra clicks. Now time block your day. Instead of relying on a long to-do list, assign dedicated blocks on your calendar. For example, 8 to 9 a.m. for admin tasks, 9 to 11 a.m. for deep work, 1 to 2 p.m. for client calls, and 4 to 5 p.m. for content creation. Treat these blocks like appointments with yourself. Drag to adjust as reality changes, and leave small buffers for breaks or travel so your plan stays realistic. Use recurring events to automate your routine. Open an event and set it to repeat. Great candidates include weekly planning on Sunday evening, a monthly budget review, standing client check-ins, and your gym schedule. You can choose end dates or custom patterns, which keeps your calendar up to date with almost no maintenance. Protect your focus with built-in tools, add focus time to automatically block meetings, and mark out of office when you're unavailable so invites are declined for you. Turn on tasks integration so your to-dos appear on the calendar, and schedule them like mini appointments to ensure they actually happen. Sync across all your devices. Install the Google Calendar app on your phone, enable notifications, and connect it with Gmail so email invites turn into events instantly. Link your video tools like Zoom or Google Meet so meeting links attach automatically. While you're at it, confirm your time zone to avoid scheduling mix-ups. Finally, use event descriptions smartly. Add your meeting agenda, notes, relevant links like video rooms or documents, and a short checklist of what success looks like. Keeping everything in one place means you show up prepared and waste zero time hunting for details.